Need to change the blade on your Festool plunge-cut saw? Here's how quick and easy it is. Unplug your saw from the power source. Always start safe. Then activate the fast fix system. Press the lock lever to tilt the saw into service position. The saw locks in place automatically, and thanks to the fast fix system, the spindle is locked too. No extra buttons to press. Now grab the hex wrench. It's stored right in the handle, and loosen the bolt. Before removing the blade, push the ribbing knife upward to create more space. That way the blade comes out easily and there's no risk of damaging the new one during the installation. Take out the old blade, clean the area if needed, and install the new blade. With the teeth facing forward, tighten the bolt, and you're good to go. Turn the saw into working position, and you're done.